Alright, so I am going to try the 4Runner programming instructions to program a Lexus key. This is my master here, and then I've got a new key here, and hopefully I can make this work. Alright, so here we go. First step is supposed to be insert the master key 5 times. And then you leave it inserted, and then you open and close the door 6 times. And then we take this out and put the new key in, and then there should be some blinking on the security doodad for about a minute. I'm going to pause this until that goes away. Okay, that took about a minute, and the light is gone. So now I remove this key. The new key gets removed. The old master key goes back in. And then you start the vehicle. Apparently that kind of closes out the whole process. And then it should be that this key now works. So we're going to put that in and see if it also starts the vehicle. Boom. Spare key programmed.